What's up guys, your Biglee here. Today we are going to look into some triceps building. Triceps press down. The bread and butter of triceps workout using a pulley is going to be your press down, and I prefer starting my triceps workout always with the press down movement because this puts my elbows in the safest position, and even if I'm not thoroughly warmed up, it's not gonna lead to any injury. Whereas in any kind of extension movement, injury could happen if you're not 100% warmed up. Let's see how it is done. I grab the bar, pull it down close to my chest so that my triceps is in a fully extended position. I press it all the way down and contract my triceps. If you see, all three heads of my triceps are activated in this move, and then I come back to the stretch position and then go down. In this exercise, most of the people use ego. They stack up the weight and do partials like this. When you're just doing partials, you're not engaging all three heads. Rather, when you're stretching and contracting, you're placing better load on the muscle and enable it to grow better. I would like to share one very important secret. When it comes to arm training, I figured out doing very low reps does not work well because the muscles of the arm work well and respond well for a good pump. For this reason, I always keep my arm training around 8 and 15 rep range where I can use good poundage and get very good pump. And all you guys who want big arm size, your triceps is 2/3 of your arm, which means building your triceps is gonna make your arms look much bigger. Until the next video, this is your Biglee, over and out.